Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. Today we are here in this video to discuss upon the India receiver chip Dhruva. IIT Bombay has developed a homegrown receiver chip. Dhruva can be used in smartphones and navigation devices to find location and routes within country. Dhruva will receive signals from India's Navic group of navigation satellites as well as the US Global Positioning System based satellites to determine these accurately under all weather conditions. The radio frequency receiver chip was designed in 18th month by students and researchers at IIT Bombay. Here are some important facts about Dhruva. It can receive in multiple frequency bands and handle weak signals. Besides, it can be converted into digital bytes and proceed by any standard digital signal processor to determine one's location precisely. India has fleet of navigational satellites for a few years, but there have been no commercial receivers so far that could receive its signals in multiple frequencies. The 9 satellites under Navic were built as an alternative to the GPS as the part of India's space agency effort to make the navigation system. Now we'll discuss about the Dhruva project. The Dhruva project was funded by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology with Society for Applied Microwave Electronics Engineering and Research as the nodal agency. The research team also interfered with the Space Application Center for the India Space Research Organization. Navigation with Indian Constellation is India's geo-positioning system designed by ISRO to provide accurate positioning within the country. Navic satellites were sent to orbit a few years ago, but no commercial receiver chip was available to receive signal from satellite. Dhruva will help receive and clean up the signals received from Navic, which are 36,000 km above from the Earth's surface. This chip can clean up all the interfering signals, sifting out the weak desired navigation signals. These signals are further amplified by approximately 4 lakh times before converting to digital bytes using on-chip analog to digital converters. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, stay tuned with KSGindia.com.